Imagine this. You walk into a packed cafe. Your laptop is at 20%. Every table is full, and you need 3 things: a seat, a plug, and someone useful to talk to before your energy dips. That little window of time is a huge opportunity. A seat becomes a routine, a conversation becomes a connection, and a quick pitch can turn into a tiny paid test.
By the end of this episode, you'll confidently use 5 simple phrases, say them slowly so locals can understand, and link each line to a habit, an energy tip, or a way to make small income. We'll practice pronunciation, show alternatives, and role-play a friendly negotiation so you can try this today. Curious? Ready?
Section 1. The 2 lines that get you a seat and power. Phrase 1. Posso sentar aqui? Slow. Posso sentar aqui. Translation: can I sit here? Use it gently when a table looks available. Alternatives: este lugar está ocupado? Is this spot taken? Why this builds a seating habit. Ask once a day when you enter cafes, and you'll always have a seat option and a short social opener. Say it with a smile and a clear voice. Phrase 2. Tem uma tomada livre? Translation: is there a free outlet? Quick polite tip. Add por favor at the end to be extra polite. Tem uma tomada livre, por favor? Linking to energy and anti-aging, when you move to recharge physically, stand, stretch, refill water, you boost circulation and reduce screen fatigue. Asking for a plug is a daily checkpoint to hydrate and move.
Section 2. Short time holders and the intro that opens conversations. Phrase 3. Pode guardar meu lugar por 5 minutos? Slow. Pode guardar meu lugar por 5 minutos. Translation: can you hold my spot for 5 minutes? Use this when you need to run to a bathroom or buy coffee. Habit tip. Combine this with a 20-minute focused work block. Set a timer and protect your productive stretch.
Phrase 4. Oi, eu sou o a Sofia Tiago. O que você faz? Slow. Oi, eu sou o a Sofia Tiago. O que você faz? Translation: hi, I'm Sofia Tiago. What do you do? Use the correct gender form. Sou o for men, sou a for women. Elevator pitch template. Eu faço what you do. For example, eu crio sites simples para pequenos negócios. Say one short sentence, then ask a question. Confidence coaching. Own that first sentence. It's the bridge from seat to collaboration.
Section 3. Pitching a small paid test and turning coffee time into income. Phrase 5. Tenho uma ideia pequena. Quer te laborar por X euros hora? Slow. Tenho uma ideia pequena. Quer te laborar por X euros/hora. Translation: I have a small idea. Want to collaborate for X euros/hour? Start with a clear micro offer. A 30-minute test, a quick design tweak, a short review for a fixed low price. Negotiation starters. Confirm deliverables, time, and a short payment method.
Now, a short role play so you hear the flow. I'll be the freelancer. Sophia will be the nomad who just sat down. When I answer as the freelancer or barista, I'll keep it casual and friendly.
Posso sentar aqui? Tem uma tomada livre, por favor? Oi, eu sou a Sofia. O que você faz?
Oi, Sofia, sente aí. Sim, tem uma tomada atrás de você. Eu sou o Thiago, eu faço marketing digital e edição de vídeo. Você trabalha com quê?
Sounds fair. We can see what you need real quick. 30 minutes now, 15 euros, paid in MB way. That's a polite yes and a clear agreement. Time, price, and payment method.
This roleplay shows the simple steps. Claim seat, check power, introduce, offer a micro test price, and confirm payment. Keep offers small and clear. A tiny paid test lowers risk for everyone and builds a habit of asking.
Immediate practice action step. The 1-day cafe challenge. 3 microtasks for today. 1. When you enter a cafe, use Posso sentar aqui
and sit near power if possible. 2. Ask, "Tengo una tomada libre, por favor." Then stand and do a 2-minute stretch and drink a glass of water. 3. Start one short conversation. Oi, eu sou, your name. O que você faz? And finish with a micro-offer. Tengo uma ideia pequena. Quer colaborar por X euros, X hour? Try this with one person today. Even one positive interaction is progress.
Recap. Posso sentar aqui? Claim the seat. Tenho uma tomada libre? Secure energy and use it as a movement cue. Pode guardar meu lugar por 5 minutos? Keep short errands from breaking focus. Oi, ISO. Open conversations. Tenho uma ideia pequena? Convert chats into small paid tests. Each phrase links to a tiny habit, better energy, and small income opportunities. If you want guided audio drills, printable scripts, and daily role-play templates, enroll in the 7-day Café Connector micro-course. It gives a daily short audio script, exact lines to say, and a checklist to turn 3 Café interactions into routines over a week. The course is designed for complete beginners and focuses on fast wins, seeds for habit, confidence, and tiny income. That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper.